falls between the twilight and the rim. Am I the spirit in this flesh, or the one who lets me fly? The wild Caballo stretched across a clear to golden sky. I've seen you in a dream upon a Pryor's range. Was it from the 1500s and conquistadors you came, or 1600s? Underneath the Blackfoot's battle cry to reach these refuge mountains where honey Capitan abide. We've come to feel the gentle breeze that pleads, protect your brother, as deer will flee the hunt to flank your band, one with the other. And animals with smaller hooves who would perish in the snow follow as you break the crust to tender shoots below. But Wild Horse Canyon brought betrayal you could not foresee, the ambush of your family, rounded up and shot like thieves. Are you my haunted memory as you streak across the plain? Toss your head and let the sunlight ripple through your mane across a lost horizon with the dust upon your heels. Least out you are my brother, mighty Mustang of the field. And God said, I establish thee a glory of the earth. And the people saw from you how they could know what freedom was worth. His promise, I give thee flight without wings, the closest that the people come is through the songs we sing. And gentle breezes call to us through the trees, protect your brother, flanked against the great First Nations band, one with the other. A tender kindred spirit that may perish in the snow unless the crust of ignorance someday be broke. Are you my haunted memory as you streak across the plain? Toss your head and feel the river pulsing in your veins across a lost horizon with the dust upon your heels. Least how you are my brother, mighty Mustang